All right, well, as it stands now, most of the snow has wound down here in West Michigan. Off to the right, we do have some light snow along US 127, continuing to move to the east. And we'll watch for a few flurries coming in off the lakeshore here overnight tonight, but the majority of us will stay fairly dry. Now, look at the snowfall totals. Through December 3rd this winter, we've already, or I guess late fall, not even into winter yet, 12.5 inches of snow. Through December 3rd last year in 2023, we only had 2 inches up to this point. And to get to 12.7, we had to go all the way until January 12th through last year's fall and winter. So interesting note there, we are well ahead of pace, already over 25% of what we saw all of last season, with more on the way in the next 24 hours. Tonight's snowfall, maybe some flurries, but it's not going to be anything measurable. Bigger story is going to be the winds picking up out of the south and west at 10 to 15, and we could have some gusts upwards or even over 30 miles per hour, especially into your morning commute. Now, temperatures right now are in the low 30s. We have 29 in Allegan, 34 in Muskegon. That's the largest temperature range we have. Everywhere, again, within a degree from 30. Downtown Grand Rapids looking like a picturesque mid-December night with the snow on the grass and the rooftops and just the lights really starting to glisten there as well. South Haven, you can see the whitecaps starting to ramp up. A fresh coat of snow, not sand, there, especially when you walk the pier as well. A lot of ice starting to catch up, but water hasn't frozen over yet. It is near record warmth still into the first week of December. So now we turn our attention to the winds, which is really going to be the bigger focus in this system moving in with the winter storm watch that's underway for tomorrow. Sustained winds will be 15 to 20 miles per hour, even into tomorrow morning. So your commute is going to have some gusty winds, even if you don't see any snow or light mixed precipitation. The wind will start to shift Wednesday evening. That's going to bring in the cool air and fire off some more lake effect snow. But it is all snow in this system off to our north and west. As it moves in, the southwest wind is going to bring us that chance for a little mixed precipitation, but it'll be mainly along the lakeshore. It's going to be hard to get any consistent rain within the event. But again, rolling through future track, not a ton to worry about into the morning hours, but in the afternoon, you can see that snow starting to fire off. Cold front moves through, and then it shifts to all lake effect here in through Wednesday night and Thursday morning in inland areas. Because of the strength of the wind, are going to see some accumulations. That's why the winter storm watch goes even east of US 131. Again, that's for Wednesday evening through Thursday. And we do look at the potential for those areas in the darker blue to see 4, 5, upwards of 8 inches of snow. But with the wind gusts upwards of 45, there's going to be a lot of variance once again, just like all lake effect has been so far this season. So lake effect lasts through Thursday, maybe a few flurries on Friday, but I think Friday morning will start to dry out. We do trend drier into the weekend with warming temperatures too. We'll go from teens overnight Thursday and Friday back to 40s by early next week.